Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be doing a cute and simple glitter eye makeup look. And let's get started. As my first step, I like to start off with a lip balm, and I'm using Dr. Bronner's in Peppermint today. Say hi to my new plant babies. And on my face, I like to use a BB cushion from the Face Shop. It has light medium coverage and it gives off a sheen dewy finish, which I like very much. Now moving on to concealer, I'm using NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop and applying it on my under eyes, on my nose, and on the corners of my nose. Using my ring finger, I am tapping on the area where I've applied concealer and just blending it out a little bit. And now all of that's covered. I'm going to use Innisfree, and this is actually a sebum control powder, but I like to use it as a setting powder because it is very, very light. Now, as a bronzer, I just like to apply it on the hollows of my cheek and on my jawline just to give my face a bit of dimension from all the BB cushion and concealers. Now, here I'm taking a shadow from Urban Decay as a nose contour, and what I like to do is use a shade or two darker than my skin tone because it's much easier to use compared to darker colors, and it's much easier to blend, I believe. And I'm just following the natural contours of my nose. Now I'm using Benefit brow powder, just filling in my brows as its natural shape. No sharp arches or clean lines, just blurred and blended. Natural look. Now I'm using a palette from the Saem, taking a peach light shadow as my base, applying it all over my lid and also on the bottom of my eyes. Now I'm taking a taupey shade and applying it on my lower lids, not going beyond the crease, just on the bottom part of my lids and also on the bottom outer corners of my eyes. Now taking a white pearly shadow and my fingers, patting it on my lids on the middle part. Very, very lightly, make sure it's blended out. As you could see, it's very, very light and natural. Taking a bullet brush, same shade, applying it on my inner corners to brighten up the eyes. Now taking this pretty glitter palette from the Saem, giving you a little preview of what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? Especially when the light reflects on it. I love it so much. Now I'm taking a gold glitter and applying it on the middle of my eyelids and also going a bit beyond the crease, almost to my brows, and taking a brush and focus on the bottom lashes, not going beyond that if you can. And now I'm taking a rose gold glitter. These have bigger chunks of glitter on them, so I'm putting it also on the same area of my lids to give it more depth. Now I'm taking a brush because I feel like it's easier to pick up the bigger chunks of glitter and just packing it on there because I believe I needed more glitter. Taking same brush, going into the white glitter. This reflects a whole lot more than the rest, and I'm applying it on my inner corners to maintain that brightening effect. There's the glitter, isn't it pretty? And now let's curl our lashes before we apply our liner, which I'm using Moonshot in black. I am tight lining the upper lashes thinly and cleanly as possible because I want the focus to remain on my lids, not my eyeliner. And it gives more space on my lids and less overwhelming when it comes to eyeliners. Now I'm going to add my favorite wing to give it a bit of a catty look. And I'm also applying it on the inner corners of my eyes to give it a bit of definition. And that's the eye look so far, guys. What do you guys think? Now I'm applying mascara from Loreal and focusing on the lower lashes as well, only on the center, just to give your eyes more of an open look. And now moving on to blush. I'm using a light natural pink blush and applying it on the apples of my cheek. And I'm using NYX as my Lippie powder puff. It's a natural pink look. I'm just going for that natural. Natural is the key word today. Now going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow as my highlighter, applying it on the temples of my cheek just to finish off this look. And also on the bridge of my nose. And there you go, guys. This is the glitter eye makeup look. You can definitely wear this out during the daytime and also at the nighttime, and especially when everything goes back to normal. Stay safe. I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to comment down below and give me a follow on my socials. All right, see you around. Bye.